So the scripture for today is from the book of Job, chapter 42, verse 10, and it reads, "After Job had prayed for his friends, the Lord restored what he had lost." And the meditation is the following. I am free only when I forget about myself. Concern for myself and my misfortunes is a chain which binds me. If I could forget about this, I would be free. When a cloud comes upon me, if I remember that the same cloud is also covering my brother, I would no longer notice its shadow over my own head. By praying for him, my burden would vanish without trace, and I would no longer feel it. O Spirit of selflessness, Divine Spirit of Christ, Spirit of humility and love, which flowed from the cross, in you alone I can find complete freedom. Free me from myself, remove from me this heavy chain. I am bound not by grief, not by suffering, but by the fact that this suffering is concentrated on myself. Help me to take upon myself the suffering of others. Help me to taste the sweet feeling of peace by placing on myself the burdens which surround me, thus having communion with you, who took upon yourself our infirmities and afflictions. Teach me to pray for others, and no matter what may be binding my own soul, let me break through to the freedom which you give, the freedom of self-denial and readiness to be your instrument for serving others through prayer, words, and deeds.